come do farm chores with me. First, let's get the warm clothes on. We're playing a little game in this weather. Will the hose work, or is it frozen? Water jugs. Some of them have seen better days. 2 full water pitchers. It's okay. Teenagers are out there. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my boots on because the teenagers are sounding awfully rowdy. I get out a good chunk of the animals in the morning usually, so I just organize everything right here in the back of the side-by-side. I try to get all their water and food set up, and then I grab the teenagers and go let out all the big ones because the teenagers are already mad about having to wait when they can see us. Water breaker, just hold it and break the water, it's efficient. Handed down their food containers, the chickens, the boys and the geese, and the teenagers, and whoever's food that is. I think it's some boys. Let me get the water. Say hi to the new baby quail we adopted yesterday. He tried to fly away. All right, let's go get the teenagers set up. They're ready, let's get them. Chaos because they're excited. Bye, babies. Diablo's like, why you got my lady? It's okay. I don't usually hold Lily, I usually hold Diablo, so. She's like, what the heck? Food, water. My brother and his wife made this soup, which we are very thankful for. But getting in and out of it drives me insane. So we are in the process of building them their new house down in the woods. I say we're going to get pretty close to finishing the house today. And then we got to give them a little run. So they're in the middle of getting a upgrade. They just haven't got it yet. I don't see any eggs, so I actually don't have to get in here. The part that it drives me crazy is you have to step over and then step immediately over again. But I actually don't have to get in there. Let's go. This hill is the bane of my existence because I have fallen an inappropriate amount of times. So I really don't like to do it. And the girls stay in later, so I usually do the boys, and Sean usually does the girls on the days I have to work, which is nice because I don't do good with this hill. So Watch me take the first load up. It wasn't that slippery today and I was feeling confident. But that's where it gets you. You always gotta be on your toes. We got 7 eggs. We get 7 or 8 every day. I got Carl, which is also pretty typical. I don't know if she's getting broody or if she doesn't like the house, but she won't fly out anymore. Or if she just likes being carried. We're not really sure. But she's been getting carried pretty much every day. Or she walks with Sean, I just pick her up. Because at that point, I ain't letting her go run through the thorn bushes or something like that. I'm not. That's fair, okay? She's getting antsy because she can hear all of them coming down the hill. Are you all coming? Are you coming to join us? You ready to go back? You ready to go back? Carl? It's shit like that. Carl! Run through thorn bushes anyway. Oh, they're going down to the social bowl. They already went in and got their food. I was messing with Carl.